Hello beautiful people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika from Mom's Niche Diary, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. And today we're going to be grilling catfish. If you're in Nigeria, then you're going to be familiar with this catfish that they sell on the roadside. Now you can actually make yours at home. So if you're interested in knowing how I make my grilled catfish at home, then keep on watching. So we need some vegetable oil. I'm going to be using this sauce and this seasoning cube, onion, pepper, garlic, salt, curry and thyme, and of course the catfish. Now, one of the tricks to cleaning your catfish to remove the slimeliness from it is to use hot water. Use the hot water that your hands can tolerate, and once you put the catfish in it, you see all the sliminess going out. Okay, so now we're going to blend everything together. So let's wrap this up and put it inside the oven. Once it's ready, I'll show you the final look.